Hey there, artists! Welcome back to Chameldoesart and Art for Kids Sunday. Today we have a special treat for you and the little ones. We're going to learn how to draw an adorable narwhal. So grab your pencils, paper, and let's dive into the world of these cute sea creatures. First off, what we want to do is draw the narwhal's body. So I'm just going to do a circle here. So maybe this is good. So that's going to be his body. Okay? Great job. Now we're going to add the fins and the tail. So let's add the tail first, and let's draw a couple of curved lines coming out from the body. And what we're going to do is we're going to come like this and up to about right there. And then down here, I'm going to have another curved line to go up to about right there. So that right there is going to be where we're going to add the tail. So let's go ahead and let's erase this body part right here. Okay, that looks good. All right, so let's do the tail now. And the tail is going to kind of be a heart shape in a way. So for example, just like that. So you can see it looks like a little heart. Okay, now let's give the cute narwhal a face. So we're going to draw two big round eyes. So again, you can either make these circles or you can make them ovals. It don't really matter, whichever you prefer. Make it your own. So about maybe like that. Actually, I want to spread those eyes out a little bit more than that. Something like that. I like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, let me do this other one one more time. There we go. I think ovals look better. I think they're cuter. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put some circles right here and right here. Now it looks like pupils, but it's not. It's going to be the kind of the shiny part of the eye. And we're going to do a couple of more little circles down right there. So there we go. Then we're going to draw a curved line for the mouth. Well, that looks cuter. Or should it be up closer to the eyes? Let's check and see which one looks cuter. Yeah, closer to the eyes looks cuter. All right, so we cut a little curved line for the mouth. Now let's do the fins. So we're going to do a fin coming out about right here. And it's just going to be like a curved triangle. Something like that. Okay, and then we're going to do another one about right here. So again, another curved triangle. All right, the next thing we're going to do is it's time to add the narwhal's iconic tusk. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line coming up out of the forehead here. I'm going to draw another one about right here and do them kind of slanting towards each other. And we're going to round this bottom part off like that. And then the top part, we're just going to connect it with a little curved line, just like that. And then we'll put some lines in like that. All right. How about some little eyebrows to be cute? All right, I think that's going to do it. Let's get to the coloring portion. So I'm probably going to speed the video up on this one. Because I don't think you guys want to sit here and watch me color this whole thing in. So the colors that we've got today is kind of a sky blue in a way, and a pink, and a yellowish orange, and then of course we've got our black here for the outline. So those are the colors that we're going to use today. Okay, so let's color the little narwhal in with this blue color. Okay, so we got our blue color done. Let's go and color in his tusk with this orangish yellow color. Here we are. All right, let's do the eyes now. We're going to color them all black, but remember, don't color in the little circles that we put there for the shine or the reflection in his eye. Okay, next let's do the outline. So let's get his little eyebrows in there. Okay, then we can outline this tusk. Or a horn, you might want to call it a horn. Here we go, and let's get his little body in here. And I'm going to have that fin behind the body. So we're going to just continue it. All around there. A little tail. Get his mouth. And his fin. To one there and one there. All right, what else can we do to him? Let's give him some little rosy cheeks. So let's put them about right here. And I think that is going to do it. Congratulations. You have successfully drawn a cute narwhal. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday with Art for Kids Sunday, where we'll be drawing something interesting there. Take care, and I will see you again.